Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be demoing some canister shells. These are the Not For The Weak shells by TSky Fireworks. Check out that artwork. Looks pretty awesome. These are 5-inch titanium loud. And right here, let's check out the shells. So Not For The Weak, they are numbered with the numbers and what the effects are. And here's the tube. Not For The Weak shells. I cut open the tube to see if there's anything behind that, but looks like there isn't. That's what the side profile looks like. And all the shells are listed in the back. Right there. Got some photos. Yeah, we got this over there at Big D's in Hawley, Pennsylvania. Make sure you check them out. I'm excited to shoot these shells off. I've shot them before, but it was kind of like in the mix of a club shoot, so I didn't really get to see them in all their glory. But yeah, if you guys like these shells, drop a like on this video and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. See you guys.